Hey there, welcome to Cool Product. Today we're counting down the top 5 best true RMS clamp meter picks to help you get accurate readings on noisy signals, inrush current, and high-load circuits for HVAC, automotive, or panel work. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Porometisto CM06 True RMS Clamp Meter. Porometisto CM06 True RMS Clamp Meter delivers accurate and reliable measurements, especially when dealing with complex electrical signals. Thanks to true RMS technology, it gives precise readings even for non-sinusoidal waveforms, which is very important when working with modern electronics and variable speed equipment. The Porometisto CM06 supports up to 600 amperes of alternating current and direct current, and up to 600 volts of alternating current and direct current. If you choose the CM06 Pro version, you get even more power, with up to 1000 amperes of alternating current and direct current, 1000 volts of direct current, and 750 volts of alternating current. This gives you the flexibility to handle everything from simple home tasks to more demanding industrial jobs. It also comes packed with advanced functions like INR-RH for measuring startup current, VFD mode for variable frequency drives, Lows mode to reduce ghost voltage readings, and NCV detection so you can check for live wires without direct contact. These features make troubleshooting faster and much safer. Beyond current and voltage, the Porometisto CM06 measures resistance, capacitance, diode, and continuity. It even supports zero live wire testing and temperature measurement, making it a truly versatile tool for electricians and technicians. The upgraded high-definition color screen is bright and easy to read, and the built-in flashlight helps you see clearly in dark panels or tight spaces. Small but useful details like the low battery indicator keep you prepared, while the max and min function tracks peak and lowest values during testing. Data hold lets you freeze the reading on screen for easy note-taking, and auto power off helps save battery life. Safety is a big focus here. With intelligent burn-proof protection and double insulation, the Porometisto CM06 is designed for secure and stable operation. The side button layout makes one-hand use easier, and the D-shaped large jaws can clamp multiple wires at the same time, saving you time on the job. From automotive systems to household wiring, HVAC units, industrial equipment, and even DIY projects, the Porometisto CM06 True RMS Clamp Meter is built to handle a wide range of electrical testing needs with confidence and ease. Next up, at number 4, we have the Zoyi ZT-QS7 True RMS Clamp Meter. Zoyi ZT-QS7 True RMS Clamp Meter delivers high-precision measurements in a compact and easy-to-carry design, making it a strong choice for professional electrical and automotive work. With a measuring current range from 100 milliamperes to 100 amperes for both alternating current and direct current, it gives you reliable data for detailed diagnostics and fault finding. The true MRS capability ensures accurate readings even when the electrical signal is not perfectly smooth. This is especially helpful when working on modern automotive systems or equipment that use variable speed technology. You can trust the numbers you see, which means less guesswork and more confidence on the job. Zoyi designed the Zoyi ZT-QS7 with a clear digital-only display that shows readings in real time. The screen is simple and easy to read, so you can quickly check voltage, resistance, or current without confusion. This helps reduce errors and makes your work faster and more efficient. In terms of measurement range, this clamp meter supports up to 600 volts for alternating current and direct current. It also measures resistance up to 10 megaohms, which covers a wide variety of testing needs in electrical panels, automotive circuits, and household systems. Whether you are checking wiring, diagnosing a faulty component, or verifying a power source, it gives you the flexibility you need. Another useful feature of the Zoyi ZT-QS7 is its capacitance testing capability. With a range from 0 microfarads to 60 millifarads, you can test capacitors in air conditioning systems and automotive circuits with precision. This is very helpful when troubleshooting cooling systems or identifying failing components. The compact size, about 22 by 11 by 5 centimeters, and lightweight of only 0.355 kilograms make it easy to carry in your tool bag. It feels comfortable in hand and works well for on-site repairs and field inspections where mobility matters. Zoyi has also optimized the ZT-QS7 for automotive air conditioning line leakage detection. It helps you quickly identify electrical faults in complex systems, saving time and effort during maintenance and troubleshooting tasks. Taking the third spot is the Holdpeak HP-580S True RMS Clamp Meter. Holdpeak HP-580S True RMS Clamp Meter is built for accurate and dependable electrical testing, even in demanding environments. With true RMS technology, it provides precise readings for alternating current and direct current signals, including complex waveforms. This means you get trustworthy results whether you are working on industrial systems or everyday electrical tasks. One of the standout features of the Holdpeak HP-580S is its AP connectivity. Using the Smart Connect function, you can link the meter to your smartphone and monitor data in real time. This makes tracking, recording, and analyzing measurements much easier. It adds a modern touch to your workflow and helps improve diagnostic accuracy. The 6,000 counts digital display gives you high-resolution readings, so you can see small changes clearly. This is especially useful when checking voltage, resistance, continuity, or temperature. The screen is designed to show detailed information, helping you make better decisions during inspections and repairs. When it comes to power, this clamp meter can measure up to 1,000 amperes of alternating current and direct current. That high capacity allows it to handle heavy-duty jobs with confidence. From large equipment to industrial panels, the Holdpeak HP-580S is ready for serious tasks. It also supports multiple testing functions, including alternating current voltage, direct current voltage, resistance, continuity, and temperature measurement. This wide range of functions means you can rely on one tool for many different types of electrical checks, saving space in your toolbox. The Auto Range feature automatically selects the correct measurement range for you. This reduces setup time and minimizes the chance of selecting the wrong range. It also comes with a built-in battery, so it is ready to use right out of the box. Designed in a compact blue body, measuring 31 by 14 by 6 centimeters and weighing only 0.410 kilograms, the Holdpeak HP-580S is easy to carry and comfortable to handle. With CE certification, it also meets important safety and quality standards, giving you extra peace of mind while you work. Coming in at number 2 is the Habotest HT208A True RMS Clamp Meter. Habotest HT208A True RMS Clamp Meter is designed to give accurate and stable measurements for both professional and advanced home use. With true RMS technology, it delivers precise readings for alternating current and direct current, even when the signal is unstable or irregular. This makes it very reliable for modern electrical systems and complex equipment. The Habotest HT208A supports multiple current ranges of 60 amperes, 600 amperes, and up to 1,000 amperes. This wide range allows you to handle everything from small circuit checks to high-current industrial diagnostics. You can confidently measure heavy loads without worrying about limitations. When it comes to voltage, it measures alternating current up to 750 volts and direct current up to 1000 volts. That gives you the flexibility to test power lines, control panels, and battery systems with ease. It also measures resistance from 0 to 60 megaohms, which is perfect for checking wiring, components, and detecting faults inside circuits. The digital display is clear and easy to read, showing detailed information for voltage, current, capacitance, frequency, and continuity. Having all these functions in one device saves time and reduces the need to carry multiple tools. You can quickly switch between different tests and get the information you need right away. Habotest also includes NCV detection, allowing you to identify live wires without direct contact. This adds an extra layer of safety when working in unknown or potentially dangerous environments. The capacitance testing function helps you evaluate the condition of capacitors, which is especially useful in maintenance and troubleshooting tasks. Despite its powerful features, the Habotest HT208A remains portable and practical. With dimensions of 33 by 16 by 9 centimeters and the weight of just 0.700 kilograms, it is easy to carry to job sites and comfortable to handle during long work sessions. The overall design feels solid and dependable, making it a strong companion for electrical testing and maintenance work. And finally, our top pick, the Uni-T UT207B True RMS Clamp Meter. Uni-T UT207B True RMS Clamp Meter is built for high-precision performance in demanding electrical environments. With true RMS technology, it delivers accurate measurements for both alternating current and direct current, handling up to 1000 amperes with confidence. This ensures stable and reliable readings even when working with complex or noisy electrical signals. The Uni-T UT207B also supports voltage measurements up to 1000 volts for alternating current and direct current. Combined with its 1000 ampere capacity, this wide range makes it suitable for high-power systems, industrial panels, and professional diagnostic tasks. It is designed to manage heavy-duty applications without compromising accuracy. A 6000-count digital display provides clear and detailed results. The high-resolution screen helps you see small changes in voltage, current, or resistance, giving you better control during troubleshooting. The numbers are sharp and easy to read, which reduces mistakes and improves efficiency on the job. Safety is a major highlight of the Uni-T UT207B. With Cat 3 1000-volt and Cat 4 600-volt safety ratings, it meets strict international standards for high-voltage testing. This gives you extra protection and peace of mind when working in challenging electrical conditions. Beyond current and voltage, this clamp meter measures resistance, capacitance, and even inductance. These additional functions make it a versatile tool for diagnosing faults, checking components, and performing regular maintenance. Instead of carrying multiple devices, you can rely on one compact meter to handle different tasks. Despite its powerful capabilities, the Uni-T UT207B remains compact and easy to carry. Measuring 272 by 81 by 43.5 millimeters and weighing only 465 grams, it fits comfortably in your hand and tool bag. It is powered by three 1.5-volt R03 batteries, offering dependable performance and simple battery replacement when needed. The overall design feels solid and professional, making it a dependable companion for fieldwork and on-site electrical inspections. Don't test blind, test smarter. Check the price link in the description, and be sure to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more top tool roundups and buying guides.